welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing my friend and model Holly's makeup today by using different shades of gray. So if you're ready, just sit back and watch because I'll be doing it and doing it well and giving you all the details. Okay, so right here I'm just brushing up her brows and filling them in with her appropriate hair color basically, because you don't want your client's brows to be too light or too dark, because that would be definitely unfitting for them. So right here, I'm just going in with some concealer so I can shape out our brows. Not anything too light or too dark, but something that matches her skin color. So right now, I'm just going in with some concealer on her eyelids because it's going to be a great base for my eyeshadows, so they can be nice and seamless and blend it out to perfection. So right here, I'm just going in with her transition shade, and basically what a transition shade is your first color before applying other colors. So at the top, you don't get like that harsh line. So the first color I'm going to be putting on her eyelids is like this dusty white gray color. Okay, so the next gray that I'm applying is a little bit deeper, because when we start getting to the outer eye, it's going to start going a little bit more in depth. Okay, so right here, I started to go in with black and another gray, so I can get it a little bit deeper in that outer eye. Okay, so right now I just want to talk about where I drew inspiration for her eye look today. So as we were talking, I found out that Holly, she used to be a ballerina. So I kind of thought about like Black Swan and stuff like that. Also, if you go on Kim Kardashian's Instagram page, her artist recently did a makeup look that heavily inspired me that day as well. Right now, I'm just dragging that shade of black and gray up to the middle towards the front of her eye so it can give it that capped in look. Okay, so right here, I'm just going back and doing a little bit of touching up because I noticed some areas where I needed to pack on some more pigment so it could stand out above that line where I just drew out the black and the gray at the top. Noticing I have a little bit of fallout that's up underneath her eyes. Don't worry about that. What you have to do is just get you a makeup remover cloth and just wipe it off from under her eyes, because for glam looks you get a lot of fallout. And see, that's what I'm doing in this frame right here. Okay, so right now I'm just going in with a primer for her face, and I use the Maybelline Instant Pore Eraser because it really does do what it say, honestly. Like, that's a really good primer. So here I'm just going to set her primer with a translucent powder so her makeup stays. So now in this frame, I'm just going in with a foundation brush and applying her foundation. And guess what foundation Miss Holly uses? She uses Juvia's Place. Now that's a good foundation and it's so full coverage. Because even when I was going over like some of her acne scars, it covered it right on up. Now I'm just taking some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and going up underneath her eyes. I'm not going to do the triangle method, but instead I'm just going to spread out the concealer nice and flat underneath her eyes. So to blend out her concealer, I like to go in with a beauty blender because it gives it that nice natural finish and not too harsh on her face. Okay, so boom baby. All I'm doing now is just going in with a Morphe contour shade underneath her cheekbones so it can give her a nice contour. You guys, look at her eyelids. Do you see that it's blended out to perfection? This looks like literal beauty. Look at that. Right now, I am contouring her nose as well so it can appear slimmer. And I'm going over her face again with translucent powder. Okay, so right now, I'm just taking that black and gray and smudging it out underneath her eyes so it can give it that winged out look when I take it out. in her inner tear ducts with some silverish black sparkles. I thought it would be a really good touch to make it stand out. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with some black eyeliner so I can make sure that when I apply her lashes, it's going to be nice and seamless and pretty. And a personal tip I have for making sure eyeliner doesn't get everywhere in the later hours, I go back with like a black shade, a matte shade, and I put it on top of the liner where I applied it. Now I'm going in with setting spray. So I went ahead and put on her lashes off of camera, so I wouldn't bore you guys with the long process. So now all you have to do, remember to put on mascara on your client's bottom and top lashes. Alright, so now I'm just lining her lips with a black lip liner. Inside of the palette, I used that first shade that I used on her eyes, on her lips, and then I'm going to tell her to push her lips together and blend it in with the liner. Well, this is the completed look on my friend Holly. I'll make sure that I link her Instagram as well as her YouTube channel down below. But make sure you hit the like button and also comment down below and share this video with all your friends that might be interested in something like this. Also, the most important thing I need you to do is hit that subscribe button because I want to see you come back on the next video. But until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye. I love this song so much. Okay, why are we not starting?
There we go.
I can be too is like, no, not to go on Instagram. Yes. Okay.
Right.
I love it so